Highlights are the latest version of Fujifilm Synapse 7X, how it builds on past technologies, and where Synapse is going. That's what I discussed during RSNA 2019 with William Lacey, the Vice President of Medical Informatics at Fujifilm Medical Systems USA.
7X is an extension from radiology of our server-side technology. It's an expansion into cardiology, and it's also a platform that's AI-enabled. It has 3D natively, so it's really a convergence of technologies that we've been bringing together over the last 6 years.
Does mammography fit into this also?
As part of the 7X platform, you have diagnostic mammography, you have radiology, you have cardiology, and we're also extending beyond that into other enterprise imaging areas. To have a platform that covers radiology diagnostically acceptable to the radiologist, is able to cover diagnostic mammography, is able to extend to cardiology and cover all of the labs, and also extend out to enterprise viewing from one viewer, and having it AI enabled and having it natively enabled with 3D is just very unique in the industry. It's at a point where we've matured the technology to where we can extend it to areas like cardiology, and now we're excited to extend it beyond radiology and cardiology into enterprise imaging.
Is 7X ready for prime time?
Yeah, absolutely. We'll be introducing it in early 2020. To the cardiology market for the first time more generally. And then we also are intending to bring our AI use cases through the AI platform to the market in the beginning of 2020. So we have a lot of activity coming.
To be effective, the results from artificial intelligence have to get to doctors. That is where Synapse 7X comes in.
We really give them that bridge to take advantage of these different technologies and bring it into their packs, bring those results into the packs. So we've had a lot of conversations with customers related to just being that layer in between with our platform, imaging, AI, and the applications that they use.
Where does Riley fit into all of this?
Well, Riley is our imaging and informatics initiative for AI. So wherever you see the Riley brand, it means we're applying AI technology to that application.
How would you define single viewer?
You have a viewer that is only different based on the modality that you're bringing up and your role, what user you are. So if I'm a radiologist and I open up a study, it's going to open up with my workflow. If I'm a cardiologist and I'm opening up a cath or an echo, it's going to open up appropriately as I would want to see the tool sets. So it's the same viewer, it's just opening based on what the specialty area is.
So what is the significance of single viewer?
There's much less complexity in looking at a common platform that extends into all of these imaging service lines. And then from a clinical perspective, you're looking at the ability for radiologists and cardiologists to see the same data, to have access to the same tools, and across the healthcare system for everyone to be able to visualize the same data. That is a huge advantage, and then there's a cost implication to that as well, with reducing third-party systems and consolidating, converging on one platform.
What are your plans for the future?
Well, we're going to continue to expand across all areas of enterprise imaging. Having AI enabled in this platform, we'll be looking at new use cases, expanding what we've been doing with radiology, but also taking it into cardiology and looking at cardiology use cases for AI results. How do we extend AI results to physicians that are looking at the viewer in the EHR? What AI use cases would apply there? So there's a lot of new possibilities that we can take advantage of with this platform.